Hi. So we have seen project management activities. Let's look at what software we can use to help us do all these project management activities. So as we have seen, planning is at the heart of project management, and what we need to plan is the tasks, the work that needs to be done, the people, the execution of the project, and the risks. So let's look at software that can help us with that. There's software, for example, for planning. There is software that we can use for making Gannts and PERTs in an electronic way. There's a Microsoft project, which is a Windows application that you can use to make Gantt and PERT diagrams. And there's an open source variant of that, which is called OpenProj. Other software for planning is, for example, electronic calendars that we can use to schedule, notify, and remind the members of our team. Think, for example, of Google Calendar that we can use. We can invite all the team members, put all the planning, and notify them when certain things need to be finished or when we have project meetings. Other type of software we can use is software for collaboration. We've indicated many times that communication, collaboration, and team spirit is fundamental for successful project management. So we can use software for collaboration and make communication more easy and more efficient. For example, we can use video conferencing systems. Skype is, for example, one that has been used a lot to do video conferencing and do online meetings. We can use standard emails for communication, and we can even use instant messaging. WhatsApp is being more and more used as a tool for communication within projects. You create a group and you can communicate this group about daily activities related to the project. There's also software for sharing information. Online spreadsheets and documents, for example on Google Drive, we can share them and we can edit them all together online. We can use issue tracking systems that can help us track the issues, the problems that have occurred during the execution of the project, or any risks that we have seen that has occurred. We can put them in these systems and track them, such that everybody knows what's going on. And we can also use social software, like Facebook type of software that we can use to create this team spirit within the project team. And then we can organize relations and also communicate together about things related to the project. Then there's software for monitoring and control. There's, for example, a lot of commercial software for prediction of markets that we can use to see how is the market evolving while we execute our project. And there's also lots of software for workflow management. Workflow management systems, these are called, WMS. These are systems that we can use to define the tasks, put all the times in there and link it to a communication system and manage the workflow. See at each moment what is going on, what needs to be done next, who is responsible, and how we're going time-wise and also cost-wise. Finally, there's also software for risk management. Software that helps us to identify risks. It gives us a list of general risks that we can have to take into account for a project, and that we can then in our risk workshop we can elaborate upon, brainstorm about, and see how they can affect our project. And there's also tools to collect and organize risks, to automatically assign this likelihood and assign the impact and calculate the severity that these risks can have. In the next part, we're going to look at standards.